All right, the pit is lit. As you can see, the fire is ripping. We got some seasoning to do right now. Get some stuff flavored up, ready for the pit. All right, so we got one thing left to cook. Wagyu, inside or outside?
Outside.
Outside skirt steak.
Look at this, guys. You think it's enough, guys?
We still have another little piece in there, actually.
Ready?
Put it right in the middle of that one. Salt. Just shoot it with the gun. Here, get him hitting it with the salt.
Yeah.
Like a slow-mo. I'm gonna do this one first.
Oh yeah,
Right
look
in
at
the
that.
middle.
Oh yeah, baby.
Bring that bad boy right around town. Wow, look how juicy.
Just for decoration, okay? Now I'm excited. Isn't it?
Now you're excited, huh? Once the beef comes out. Listen, if I'm coming
Pork, beef, chicken.
I'm coming correct, man. You know, I'm not fucking around, you know?
You took it serious what I said.
Yeah.
Bring whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, we're gonna hit up the meat locker and get one
what
of
do you want?
everything.
What do you want to eat? Dude, bring anything.
Everything.
I can cook anything, dude.
Yeah, literally. Like, I can cook anything. Like, rabbit? I've never cooked rabbit before.
But
This one
I
is...
cook a cat.
Should we slice it?
Oh yeah.
This one's ready.
Butter.
Stupid.
Can I do this? Do this, baby. Oh, fuck. No. I'm not acting, huh? I mean, that's stupid. Alright?
I know.
You're stupid.
I know. I know.
That's funny right there, man. What the fuck? Dale, cameraman.
Cameraman, get some of this.
You fucking mash, man. Right? Right?
Y'all ain't joking.
I did a...
Oh shit.
I did one before with him.
Dude, it barely has any, like, right? Salt. Barely we put some salt.
That's perfect.
Perfectly cooked, man. Good job, man.
Thanks, man.
Good job. Ready for the chimney? That's it. Just a little bit, right? We don't want to mess.
Vinegar.
Yeah, makes it better.
Mmm. This is so much enhanced flavor, you know? Jeez.
So, you like it acid, right? Let's see.
Yeah.
Let me try something. Huh?
You got me one?
Let's get crazy.
Uh-oh. A little lemon.
Yeah, cut me a piece without anything. Like,
Okay.
let's try it, right? It's like a. You got it like that.
I see them always put lemon on the pork.
Yeah,
You
sure.
know.
But the meat, all this.
It makes it more tender even. Like.
Yeah.
Try it.
Then we have this baby. This is the Alamo grill, but it's the same concept but bigger, right? So
Yeah.
this is super cool to have people over. You know, it's very visual. You know, having the flame there is very like people absolutely love this grill, and of course you have to have a big space, but it's very fun to cook with. And again, you can cook Argentinian style, like horizontal grill. You can do asado style. You can hang stuff. You can have the oval cage there to put like chicken or turkey.
Veggies.
It comes with a disc, like this one here. You know, with a disc you can do like any kind of food on the disc. You know, from breakfast to any kind of fancy food, right? And also it comes with the wood, right? This wooden surface is very useful.
It's like a
Yeah,
table.
yeah. People like
So once you cook everything and then here's your platter right there.
exactly.
You know?
Yeah. It's very convenient to to cut stuff to check it off the grill. Put
Perfect
it
level for me. Let me tell you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Mostly
Actually,
stuff's like way up here, and I'm trying to cut it
Yeah.
like this, but this is perfect.
yeah.
And you can move it around. It's on wheels.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's the
That's
best
what.
part.
Yeah. I think this grill, if you compare, and I said it before, if you compare this grill with other pit grills, right, around in the market,
Mm-hmm.
is one thing is that right, you can move it around because if you want this size of grill, like the ones that once you put it there, you're not gonna move it. You're gonna
You're
sell
not.
your house, and the fucking pit is gonna still be there,
It's
right?
not going anywhere. Yeah.
Exactly. So this, and again, cooking open fire is key that you can move it, right? Because if you have wind sound, you can get behind a tree, or the sun is bothering,
Yep.
so you can move it around. That's a very important thing. The other
Totally.
thing is when you're cooking, right? I'm not a tall dude, but look, see, if you have the grill this size,
Uh-huh.
look, I'm cooking without bending, right? And that for me, it's like because the other pits, you're gonna be like this, and that in a long cook, you end up like it's very, very.
Yeah, yeah.
Then you end up in the
It's a lot more
chiropractor,
work.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This thing is perfect. This is perfect level for me. I can mess with everything on this.
Oh yeah.
You know. So do you when you want to do the chicken down lower, do you hang like a chain?
Oh
that,
yeah.
and
It
then-
comes with a different
okay.
hangers
Yeah, yeah.
that you can, and also you can put this. I like to put a lot of hooks, and then you
Different hooks.
keep adding
Yeah.
like this. You start adding, right?
Yep.
You need more. You got another one, right?
Nice.
It's easy, and you can buy this. I think I bought a 20 for $10 in Amazon. So I took one of these babies to Memphis to the
It was the Memphis in May.
yeah.
I saw
So
that video.
they invited me, so I
Yeah.
took one of these, and again, all the people there are like barbecue professionals, right? The barbecue world, the
Yeah,
people
yeah.
that are involved in barbecue for years and years, and they still
Shocked.
They were
on-
still like,
yeah,
wow,
pumped
what
up
is
on
that?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, nobody
Everybody-
sees anybody pull up with this in the back and then hop out with the wheels.
a
And,
lot of people thought
Well,
like, you made it? No, we actually sell it. Oh wow, it's like they
Yeah.
thought that the first
first thing, it's a one-off.
yeah
You know what I mean? Like, oh, you built that for
yeah
you
exactly
because it's
yeah.
who designed that? And you're like, I got it in my backyard for me.
Yeah.
Well, that wraps up another episode of the Smoke Show on the road. We're here with Al, man, the Chimichurri King, the Argentinian Texan. we cooked everything under the sun today, and everything came out phenomenal. So
That was fun, guys.
that was fun, man. Good stuff.
Thanks
man.
for coming, man.
Yeah,
I really appreciate
man.
it.
Until next time, Smoke Show. Catch us at SmokeGameStrong.com for any apparel. Check out Frugoni with that bomb chimichurri and the bomb Fuego grills. Till next time, peace.
Love you, man.
Yeah, man, good stuff, man.
Yeah.
That was great.
Good.